Hi, I'm Sam from Soudal, and in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at foil packs, the leading alternative to traditional plastic cartridge. Foil packs are a more eco-friendly packaging solution for when applying sealants and adhesives, offering both cost benefits and time efficiency. Foil packs come in multiple sizes. At Soudal we have two different options, 600ml and 400ml, both offering more products than your standard traditional cartridge. This means that foil packs are perfect for your larger applications and your larger projects. So when you're using foil packs, you're also going to need to use a different gun, and that gun may vary in size depending on what size of foil pack you've got. Soudal have got their own branded 400ml and 600ml guns, and I've got a 400ml one here that's just been delivered. Now the good thing about Soudal guns is that you can use them for both cartridges and you can use them for foil packs. Let's show you how that works. So when the gun gets delivered, it's already configured to be done for a cartridge. Unscrew the top, put the cartridge in, screw the top back on, plunge it through, and you're ready to go. Now let's show you how it works for a foil pack. So, take this cartridge out, we'll unscrew the top. Now that metal disc is still in place. What we need to get is we need to get the plastic disc out of the bag and screw this on top. Popping that on top of the metal disc like so, screwing it in. Right, we're now ready for the foil pack. Pop the tube back on. Before you do anything else, you've got to make sure that you pierce the top of the foil pack. Right, last thing, pop the plunger in the top. Now you want to make sure that this clicks, like that. And that's your foil pack ready to go. Right, we're ready to apply the product. Before I do, I'll just chop the nozzle. Right, here I'm using Sealant element, and as you will see, it's the same great product and just as easy to extrude, pumping the trigger as you usually would. Now when you're done using your foil pack, it's going to come out looking like this. Now as you can see, that is really small, and you can see that difference even more when you put it next to an empty cartridge. Now if you switch over to using foil packs, you can reduce your waste by up to 90%. It's meaning less skip space and lower disposal costs. And the more cartridges or the more foil packs you use on your projects, the bigger the difference you'll see. Soudal's foil packs, the more eco-friendly alternative to the traditional cartridge. The same great product with a significant reduction in waste. A lot of our products are already available in foil packs. Visit the link in the description below to find out more about the benefits.